A pot of soup cools by 20 degrees Fahrenheit every minute. After 6 minutes, the temperature of the soup is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. What equation correctly represents the relationship between the time in minutes, which is represented by x variable? So time in minutes is represented by x, and the temperature of the soup, temperature is represented by the y variable. Okay, so how are we going to come up with the equation? So these are the steps. Number 1, identify the rate of change or slope. So the first sentence is telling us a pot of soup cools by 20 degrees Fahrenheit every minute. So it means the temperature of the soup is changing every minute by 20 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's our rate of change or slope, which is 20 degrees Fahrenheit. Okay, but it says the soup cools, so it means the temperature is decreasing, so it's changing, so our slope is decreasing. Okay, so it's a negative, our slope is a negative 20 because it's decreasing. Step 2, calculate B. Okay, B here is our starting value. What is the starting temperature of the soup? So how are we going to calculate B? We're going to use y equals mx plus b with the given values. And because we're calculating or solving for b, we can rewrite this equation. We will put the b on the left so it will be easier for us to solve. So mx plus b equals y. Okay, so it will be easier for us to solve later. So now we are going to plug in the given values. Using the second sentence, after 6 minutes, that's our x. Okay, the temperature y of the soup is 140 degrees Fahrenheit. So we're gonna plug in this 6 and 140 to our slope-intercept form. Okay, so m, we already know that our m is, it's already here, the slope is our m, which is negative 20, right? Mx means m times x. So it means negative 20 times, what was our x in the second sentence? It says 6, right? So negative 20 times 6 plus b, we don't know the b yet, so that's what we're going to solve, equals y, which is 140. So the temperature of the soup is 140 after 6 minutes. Then we'll solve for b. So negative 20 times 6 is negative 120 plus b equals 140. So how are we going to solve for b? Plus 120 both sides. Okay, this one canceled out. Now b is equals to 260. So now we have the value of b, which is 260. Step 3, write the equation. So again, we will go back to our slope-intercept form, which is y equals mx plus b. And then we will just simply plug in the values that we just got a while ago. So y equals, what was our m? Negative 20 x, and then our b is 200 positive 260. Okay, so this is our equation. Y equals negative 20x plus 260. So using this equation, we can find out the temperature of the soup at any given time. So for example, if the question is asking you, what is the temperature of the soup after 2 minutes? So you will just simply plug in 2 to x. Okay, replace x with 2, negative 20. So after 2 minutes, it will be y equals negative 20 times 2 plus 260. So what is that? So y is equals to negative 40 plus 260. So what is that? What is the answer? Y equals 220. So after 2 minutes, the temperature of the soup is 220. How about if 6? Let's check if it's 140. Negative 20 times 6 is negative 120. 260 minus 120, that is 140. So our answer is right.